What's up, everybody? I have a huge life update to let you know. I am going to be a father.
Loser.
2, a new occupation.
Haha!
I'm super excited to tell you how I got this job because I used an incredibly easy and effective technique that you can use when you're job hunting. But first, let me give you the full update. I'm going to be a client marketing manager for Lead Pops, a lead generation solution for real estate agents, loan officers, mortgage brokers, and insurance agents. It really seems like the perfect fit because I'll primarily be making content like this.
Oh my God! Wow!
But first, I really want to take a moment to thank the company that brought me out to San Diego. You Schuster hired me when I was a literal fetus just graduating from the University of Georgia and helped me grow into whatever you can consider me today. Some of my best times were at this company, like the time I met Mindy Kaling and Farrah Abraham in the same weekend, or that time we went paintballing. It was the perfect job for me right out of college and I wouldn't change a thing. I'll never be able to repay you. Thank you so much, Schuster. So
He needs some milk!
What I am most excited to tell you about is how I got my new job. After seeing the job posting on LinkedIn and submitted my resume, I heard nothing.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine.
The job posting seemed to fit my skill set perfectly and it was right in my range. It stood out more than any other posting, so I decided to take matters into my own hands.
Do it!
First, I friended the CEO and sent him a message. Still nothing. Then an idea dawned on me. Shoot him a video! Why didn't I think of that before? So, I shot him a video and he loved it.
Wow.
He then told me to send one to the COO as well, which I did, and she was blown away. The next week, I interviewed twice and I had an offer the following Monday. This has been a huge jump in my career and now I have a whole new trajectory forward that I didn't think I had. This can happen to you and I want to teach you the strategies I use so you can use these to find your own dream job, especially in these tough times. The video is on my YouTube and I would love for you to check it out. Thanks.